like she own it. Looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my, yeah. Talk of the city with that body.
Hi guys, I'm Black. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Louis Ihuifo, and today on my channel I have the gorgeous and amazing Chantel, you guys.
Hey all, Chantel Ayan here. Thank you so much for letting me be your muse, Louis.
Oh, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install a regular lace. What I tag jeans lace. I did it on a dark skin model, so I'll be showing you guys how to slay it. So if this sounds like something you'll be interested in, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. Okay, so we're going to prep her skin now, and we'll be using facial wipes to clean the parts that has makeup. So makeup or no makeup, I like to wipe first. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the Love Beauty skin protectant spray and just pat it into her skin, and then I'm going to be using the Hair by Any adhesive. So one thing about this product, you can use different brands to do like a full installation. So before I put the glue on the skin, so first I like to start putting the glue from the cap area, and then I'm going to get my comb and then spread. So when I spread, I like to press it forward so that it can be flat on that part, because I really don't like it to be puffy, you know, when after I finish making or doing bald cap. So you guys can see that I let the glue clear first before I am going in with a second application. So if you want your installation to last long, please let the glue clear naturally instead of using dryer to stretch the glue out. So I'm going to be doing 3 applications because we're going to have a party, and you know, Chantel is going to dance and she's definitely going to sweat, so we don't want the frontal to pop. In as much as the glue is waterproof, we just have to play safe. So I'm going to go ahead and do my 3rd application. So you guys, I let it clear before I went on to do it. So I like to also spread it into the bald cap so that it can give a firmer grip. Then there's also one thing I like to do when I'm installing, because I like the frontal to sit, you know, equally on the person's head. I like to mark it with a brush and a powder just to know the middle of her face. So I went on to warm it up with, you know, warm air. And now I am using my Andy's hot comb. By the way, the hair we're using is from Catresses on Instagram. So you guys go check them out. So I'm going to place the hair, and if you're doing this, if you're doing frontal, you definitely don't need to stay in a dark room, because you should be able to see, you know, where to place the glue, the frontal, because it's going to leave a shine on the person's skin. So with the lights, it helps you to see what you're doing. So thank God the room is really bright and we're sitting close to, you know, the windows, so I can see what I'm doing clearly. So I'm going to, you know, do this other side and then place it the same way I did for, you know, the other side. So now there's something I also like to do when I do bald cap, you know, for an installation. I like to use my comb like that to press it forward so that it can leave the, you know, the part I have the cap flat. Then I'm going to go in with my elastic band and then tie down before I start cutting. So I like to leave this for 1 minute plus, it depends. Then once I take out the band, I'm going to tame the hair backwards and then start cutting my lace. If you're still watching this video till this time and you like what you're watching, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video.
Time, just want the mood to be right, keeping it low in the night, yeah. So long since I get a glimpse of a light, it's blurring out my eyes. Oh, we should open up a window. Oh, I can't see clear. Oh, yes, I know how to window, cause it's just my habits. I can't describe it. And she keeps talking about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my habits. I'm good, giving her compliments. I'm yours if you need a friend, yeah, yeah. Staying until the end. Yeah, I know how to play pretend. tell me, how do I get inside? Open up your mind. In this I know how to win a fight, Cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my habits, just my habits, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my habits. I will never get it right. I still have you on my side. Staying night after night. Cause you're mine. Cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my habits, just my habits, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my habits.
She offered me some lace and she told me it would take me places. Now I can feel my face and I'm pretty sure she left some traces. Some good, some bad, doesn't matter if it feels amazing. Grab me by the waist, now she wanna tell me something crazy. 4 days, 4 nights, I'm losing track of time and I wonder who am I. 4 eyes, yours, mine, and I wonder who you might be till you open up your mouth and say, no curves, no nothing. What you see when you look at the horizon? No earth, just flat. No black holes, planets, none of that. No curves, no nothing. What you see when you look at the horizon? No earth, just flat. No black holes, planets, none of that.
By the way, I have an upcoming class. It's for the 30th of July 2023 and registration is ongoing. To register for the class, kindly check the community feed for the flyer so you can get the account details. And once you make payment, kindly send me the receipt to WhatsApp or my Instagram. So I'm going to be teaching a lot of things and different hacks on how to achieve a flawless installation. So you don't want to miss this class. So go register and send a receipt so I can send you a link to the class. So I'll see you guys in the class.
No curves, no nothing. What you see when you look at the horizon? No earth, just flat. No black holes, planets, none of that. No curves, no nothing. What you see when you look at the horizon? No earth, just flat. No black holes, planets, none of that. No curves, no nothing. What you see when you look at the horizon? No earth, just flat. No black holes, planets, none of that. She offered me some lace and she told me it would take me places. Now I can feel my face and I'm pretty sure she left some traces. Some good, some bad, doesn't matter if it feels amazing. Grab me by the waist, now she wanna tell me something crazy. 4 days, 4 nights, I'm losing track of time and I wonder who am I. 4 eyes, yours, mine, and I wonder who you might be till you open up your mouth and say, no curves, no nothing. What you see when you look at the horizon? No earth, just flat. No black holes, planets, none of that. No curves, no nothing.
So you guys, I have a very detailed video on how to curl. I actually have a couple of videos, so I'm going to leave one up there so you guys can go watch it and learn how to curl.
She opened up her mind, but I realized she would never change it. Been with her for hours and it's starting to be really draining. My God, oh man, I remember when it felt amazing. At least she didn't lie when she told me she had something crazy. 4 days, 4 nights, I'm losing track of time and I wonder who am I. 4 eyes, yours, mine, and I wonder who you might be till you open up your mouth. 4 days, 4 nights, I'm losing track of time and I wonder who am I. Yeah, 4 eyes, yours, mine, and I wonder who you might be till you open up your mouth and say, no curves, no nothing. What you see when you look at the horizon? No earth, just flat. No black holes, planets, none of that. No curves, no nothing. What you see when you look at the horizon? No earth, just flat. No black holes, planets, none of that. No curves, no nothing. What you see when you look at the horizon? No earth, just flat. No black holes, planets, none of that. No curves, no nothing. What you see when you look at the horizon? No earth, just flat. No black holes, planets, none of that.
Don't just stop. Let me see you pop at the barbershop. Make it, cannot hold, overflows. Become one. Now work it. Don't just stop. Let me see you pop at the barbershop. Getting ready for the show. Little soldiers in a row. Watch them closely when they go, go, go. Falling in and out of low, little soldiers in a row. You can't hate them anymore.
I feel like a whole different person, and you can't even put into words how I feel. My goodness. Lee, thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah.